SDA members and their allies pretend to be well informed, to be great detectives, and are eager to point out the errors of others. Do their claims make any sense? Let's examine this first post. That is not supported anywhere in the Bible. There is nothing in the Bible supporting my claim about a 1,000-year period between Noah and Moses. What is my source? First, I did not claim to be quoting from Scripture. I said, from memory, that events in Leviticus were almost 1,000 years after the flood. The word almost was even capitalized. The actual span of time can be estimated in various ways. Tell me in the comments, what does almost mean? Is this post motivated by a disagreement about timelines? Or something else? The real controversy is that Noah was not given any dietary laws, save one. He was told not to consume the blood of animals. In Genesis 9 verse 4. In fact, Noah is told he may eat any creature. In Genesis 9 verse 3. Go check. Adventists like to undermine Scripture and resist these facts. I then posted a timeline from answers in Genesis. I even proposed that he offer a competing timeline, because maybe the point of my post had escaped his attention. The actual, estimated figure is a 857-year span of time. Think that Dave 1 responded to my points at all? Not really. He moved on to other users to make even more bold, but erroneous, claims. Now, if you're a Seventh-day Adventist, tell me in the comments. Is 857 years almost 1,000 years? How much time would you like to see between Noah and Moses? 700 years? 800 years? What figure would undo objective reality? Is this simply another hit-and-run attack? What figure would make Noah subject to the standards given in Leviticus?